Pascal Antoine and Dolores Murat Etienne work at Adore Vibe, a radio show taped in the heart of the community. They say people are scared, even if they're here legally.
They're petrified. They're absolutely petrified. And I think the most difficult thing right now is the uncertainty.
They keep pressing and pushing, and it's like, how far can you go? How far can you push people? And still we're resilient. We keep pushing forward. We keep doing the right thing because that's what we know.
Everything's so slow.
Jonas Edmond owns a barbershop in Little Haiti, in the Flatbush neighborhood of Brooklyn.
You don't see nobody pass by. So you see business is worse. This is life. It's so hard.
Just last summer, Nostrand Avenue was vibrant.
The streets were bustling. There were vendors everywhere. You found so much community.
But now, a community made up of predominantly Haitian immigrants is feeling unsettled.
Don't know what to do. They are afraid to buy food. They're afraid to go to church, to bring their kids to school. And it's really unfair.
The fear sparked by President Donald Trump's crackdown led by ICE, Immigration and Customs Enforcement.
I know a lot of the vendors up and down the street, and they have days that they just don't open anymore because people don't want to come to work or it's extremely quiet. They would have 2 days with no foot traffic. How can you sustain a business like that?
Back in February, the Trump administration announced it would end an extension of Temporary Protected Status, or TPS, for Haitian immigrants in August. The Department of Homeland Security saying, quote, the TPS system has been exploited and abused. Meanwhile, Haiti is grappling with political corruption, gang violence, and deepening poverty. That's why many people seek a better life here in Flatbush. And in mid-June, Trump placed Haiti under a full travel ban.
There's been disruption in travel plans. There's been abruption of families not knowing where to go, what to do, and how to navigate this new norm.
Councilwoman Farah Lewis, who represents Little Haiti, says the ICE raids in her district are very troubling for people in her community.
It's definitely caused a lot of fear, family members being snatched off the street and being detained, folks not knowing where to go and how to navigate that system.
About 163,000 Haitian immigrants live in the New York metro area, according to the Migration Policy Institute. It's the second largest Haitian immigration population in the United States after Florida. Pascal Antoine and Dolores Murat Etienne work at Adore Vibe, a radio show taped in the heart of the community. They say people are scared, even if they're here legally.
They're petrified. They're absolutely petrified. And I think the most difficult thing right now is the uncertainty.
They keep pressing and pushing, and it's like, how far can you go? How far can you push people? And still we're resilient. We keep pushing forward. We keep doing the right thing because that's what we know.
Governor Kathy Hochul visited Little Haiti in June, meeting with locals and showing her support. Her budget includes $50 million to cover legal services for people arrested by federal agents following a court check-in. Emma Barnett, New York 1.